Hello everyone and welcome back to FAQ in Research or Frequently Asked Questions in Research. Let's answer another question. Need po ba ng theoretical framework sa qualitative research? This is a good question. The answer is it depends. It depends on the type of qualitative research that you are conducting. Ang pinag-usapan natin dito, qualitative research. Theoretical framework in qualitative research. Papaano yung it depends? Number one, kung ang qualitative research nyo ay grounded theory, hindi nyo na kailangan ng theoretical framework because the purpose of the grounded theory is to develop another theory or to develop a new theory based on a previous theory. So, hindi na kailangan ng theoretical framework kapag grounded theory ang ginagamit ninyo. While on the other hand, kapag ang inyong research naman ay base sa isang theory, kagaya ng, anong tawag doon? Yung sociocultural theory ni Vygotsky, critical theory, feminist theory, kung ito ang basihan ng inyong qualitative research, you need to present the theory. So, kailangan nyo ng theoretical framework. And then, ang theoretical framework is helpful if you're going to use it in your research, but it is not always mandatory. If your study aims to interpret, explain, or critique a phenomenon, a theory is very valuable. Kagaya nung sinabi natin, kung ang gagawin ninyo is to base your study on the theories that I presented, kailangan nyo ng theory. If your study is exploratory, or sabi nga natin kanina, kagaya nung sa grounded theory, pwede nyo nang hindi ilagay ang o gumamit ng theoretical framework. Ang mas maganda dito is to use conceptual concepts or themes instead of theory. So, ang pwede nyong alternative sa theoretical framework is to use concepts or themes instead of theory. So, I hope this will help you decide, depende doon sa type ng qualitative research na ginagamit nyo, to use or not to use a theoretical framework. Thank you very much everyone. Again, kung may tanong kayo, lagay nyo sa comment section. Sasagutin natin through a reply video kagaya nito. And don't forget to follow my TikTok account and subscribe to my YouTube channel